Samsung might be preparing its most powerful and most advanced smartphone ever, but that's not even the craziest part. The real story? Its night camera performance could change the game completely. Let's see what's really coming. Starting with the display, this device features a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED 2X panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Guard Armor 2 with DX anti-reflective coating, meaning better durability and improved outdoor visibility. Now, performance, and this is where things get serious. It runs on Android 16 with support for up to 7 major Android upgrades, layered with One UI 8.5. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 paired with the Adreno CPU. In terms of storage, there's no micro SD card slot, but you get multiple configurations: 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB with 12 GB RAM, 1 TB with 12 GB RAM, and even a massive 1 TB with 16 GB RAM option. Camera setup? Absolutely impressive. A 200-megapixel main sensor with 100x zoom capability. This is designed for extreme detail and long-range photography. Night photography is expected to be better this year thanks to a brighter f1.4 aperture, improved stabilization, and enhanced image processing, meaning cleaner, sharper shots in low light. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera, optimized for sharp video calls and high-quality social media shots. Security and productivity features include an under-display fingerprint scanner and full Samsung DeX support, giving you a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor. Battery life? A 5,000 milliamp Li-ion battery powers the device. You get 60-watt wired charging, reaching 75% in just 30 minutes, plus 25-watt wireless charging support. Color options include black, white, purple, and blue. The expected announcement date is February 25, 2026, and the starting price is around €1,470.